Welcome back, foam crafters and Fufusha doll makers. My name is Lisette, and thanks for tuning into my channel. Today I'm going to help you create a very simple, easy wreath, just in time for the Valentine's holiday. And the template is in the description box below. But today we're going to do things slightly different. I teamed up with Sandra at Just Feeling Crafts to create a combo project with all our viewers. And here it is. It's a Valentine's bouquet, and it's simply beautiful. And this is her channel, Just Feeling Crafts. I will put her link in the description box below. She has amazing dolls, and I know you will appreciate all of them. Her videos are in Spanish with English subtitles. So let's get started on this wreath. The materials you will need is foam sheets, 2mm foam sheets, 6mm iron fabric, scissors, glue gun, ribbon, small wreath, embellishment, acrylic paint, and a brush. Again, the template is in the description box below. You will cut the template and transfer it onto foam sheets. You could choose the color you would like. I use a gray kitty because my cat is gray and black. To add dimension to the kitty, shade around the edges. You will shade the head, the body, the paws, the tail, and the ears. Now this is optional, but I wanted to soften the kitty, so with white acrylic paint and a sponge, I just sponged the body and the head. Next, you trace, and you're going to cut over 6mm foam. This is just going to give the kitty a raised look over the wreath. And now for the head, you will leave a little bit of a gap on the head and the bottom of the 6mm foam. That way you can overlay it over the body. Now you're going to iron certain pieces. You will iron the snout, the nose, and the stripes. And the ears, the pink part of course. Now to help you draw in the eyes, you can cut out the eye template and trace it around with a toothpick. Then I trace the black part just with a toothpick over the white part. With white paint, just start painting the inner part of the eye, the white part of the eye. The next part is the black part, and you could do that with black acrylic paint. Now you can start gluing the kitty all together. Glue the face onto the 6mm and glue the body onto the 6mm foam sheet. You could always use the template as your guide. And finish gluing the rest of the pieces of his body. Now I glue on the stripes. Be very careful with the hot glue gun. Oops, the stripe was going the wrong direction. There we go. And here is my wreath. I bought this wreath at a Dollar Tree and I just cover it up in ribbon. The word love again is in the template, so just trace the word love, and I'm adding embellishments to the kitty. I added ribbon and a little heart. So I start to glue the word love onto the wreath, and then I position the kitty around the word itself. Go ahead and just lay it over the wreath before you glue it. That way you have an idea of how to glue it and where to glue it. So far, she's looking precious. I'm gonna add some hearts. These hearts are from the Fiskars Stick Punch. All I did was punch on my foam sheet, and then I heated it up with my iron for that raised puffy look. And here's my finished wreath. I decided to paint some dots. I put blush on the kitty snout, on the nose. I've added whiskers. I added some dimensional flowers. And I did freehand a heart to put right behind the kitty. Well, I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial as much as I enjoyed making it. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Also, don't forget to watch Just Feelings Crafts YouTube channel. I'll leave the link again in the description box below. Until next time, God bless.